Hi everyone, I am Amar Anson I. Caballes. For my digital storytelling project, I want to share a personal story about a misunderstanding I had with an elderly person. And there was a time when I had a disagreement with my grandmother. One day, she asked me to help with a household chore, but I was busy with schoolwork. I told her, wait, I'll do it later. But she thought I was being disrespectful and lazy. From her perspective, when she was younger, children always obeyed immediately without question. She felt I didn't care about her and she became upset with me. From this experience, I learned that misunderstanding with the elderly often come from differences in expectations, not from a lack of love or respect. Communication is the bridge that connects the differences.